Okay, so if you clicked on this video wondering where and if you can fly your DJI drone here in Bali, where or if you can, the answer is you cannot. So I have been to a few places now. I tried on Kuta Beach, Lagina Beach, I tried up in Uluwatu, but unfortunately everywhere on the island seems to be a no-fly zone. You cannot fly your DJI drone anywhere on the island. I'm thinking it has something to do with the fact that the island is so small, and so when planes are coming down to the airport, they're not flying that high when they're over the island, right? Because the island's so small. But yeah, I'm getting no fly zone on my app on the DJI remote. It's not allowing me to fly. So I did a quick Google search to see what's going on, if I can fly in Bali, and it turns out in order to fly your drone in Bali, you have to register it with the government. And it says that you can fly if you register with the government, but you must keep your drone at 100 meters is the highest that you can fly. But I'm thinking, like, that's the highest I fly anyway, because when I do my return to home, it goes up to 100 meters before coming back down. So I think that's gonna be okay, but for some reason I can't get it to work. I'm getting no fly on in the app on the remote, and it prompts you to actually fill out some kind of application and put in your phone number, and I did so, but for some reason I still can't fly. So if you clicked on this video, you're wondering if you could fly your drone in Bali and you tried and you couldn't as well, I'm thinking that we cannot. But if you can, then comment below, let me know if you guys have or not. But the whole island seems to be a no-fly zone for me. But other than that kind of sucks. But as you can see, the weather is beautiful. So up until this point, I've been in Bali for about 3 days now, and every single day has been blazing, beautiful, sunny weather, not even a single cloud in the sky. So that's a plus. It sucks that I can't fly my drone. It would have been beautiful. It would have been a perfect day to fly the drone around. But the fact that the weather is nice is not bringing me down, because I learned something from being in Asia, because I've been in multiple countries around Asia. When you have a sunny day, especially like this, not a single cloud in the sky, you gotta take advantage of these days, because it's not often you get these kind of days. Like one day it's nice, or maybe it's nice for like an hour or two, and then it will start to rain, even if it's like a little drizzle. But or you get caught in like the monsoon season, you know it's gonna be pouring. But yeah, today is a beautiful day, so I'm gonna get out there and take advantage of this beautiful weather. But yeah, if you guys clicked on this video because you're wondering if you could fly your drone in Bali, I don't think it's happening. I think the whole island is a no-fly zone just because it's so small. And when the planes are coming down to touch down into the airport, they're flying already as low as it is. So I think the whole island is a no-fly zone, which really sucks. It would have been nice to fly the drone up in Uluwatu, by the Uluwatu temple, but even just here along the beachfront. But yeah, unfortunately, no-fly zone for the DJI. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take advantage of this beautiful weather, and catch you guys in the next one.